Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I've got a unboxing for you of the May 2021 SCT Sampler, and I'm just going to show you a quick little look through of everything that's in here. So this is a subscription, and it's about $15 a month, shipping included. Today's collections are American Crafts, Jen Hadfield Reaching Out, and there's a little custom traveler's notebook, and then Simple Stories, Safe Travels. So here's the different pieces of ephemera that I've received, and there you can definitely see that there's a mix of the travel and the simple stories together. The cute little paper clip, the word journey, these are cute, smile, travel, very fall looking colors, which is surprising for kind of like a summery collection. I really like this set of colors, but not something that I typically craft with this time of year. Usually wait till fall before I'm using these kinds of things, but I like them overall. So I've got the word journey there. I think it's the word journey anyway, I'm just guessing. Makes sense for a travel collection. We have two cut aparts. Oh, there's some more. Oh, there's so much stuff here. Some foam stickers. There's some more cut aparts. What else we got? Oh, wow. So a whole page. Everybody gets a different sheet of stickers, and these are the two sets of stickers that I received. Everybody gets different ephemera and everything too. It's interesting to see everybody else's. So we all would have got this, and this is a traveler's notebook that was created by Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine. And this, I had already looked at the kit ahead of time, and I kind of came up with the idea of perhaps creating a little cover for this with these items here. Sort of an idea. Would cut that apart. I'd want to keep it flat looking, but anyway, they've created this little traveler's notebook for us with just blank pages inside, which is really nice. I really like that idea. Very simple. You just take a regular scrapbook, 12 by 12, cut it down, and create a beautiful little traveler's notebooks. I like those a lot. So quick view of all the papers. This is the simple teeth, but that I'm talking about, like that's fall colors right there. So strange. Very fall. But these collections match fairly decently together because I've changed over into the Jen Hadfield. I can tell like by those houses and stuff. And like the colors are pretty seamless. Got some more cut aparts. Whoop, they just went flying. What was that? I can't help but smile. Anyway, not bad papers, but again, I'm not really feeling the summer vibes from this collection. This is a cute set of stamps from Heidi Swap. Something that they always give everybody is something like this. An item that you can keep after all your supplies have been used. But I mean, overall, I'm happy with the amount of supplies, and I have an idea already what I want to create with this. So I'm going to go get started. And here are my creations. So I have created two fun little candy boxes, and you can see these little candy boxes inside here, and I've put it inside of this fun little package. I've just used a variety of different dies to create these. I have a box die for this base, and then I have these candy box dies. They're all from Queen of Craft. I can leave that link down below if you want to see that. It's a really great way to get a good amount of mileage out of your sampler, because you can see these fun little projects I've been able to create with this new collection. The backs are simple. You could actually even go as far as having, if you had the same kind of paper, you could make them duplicate. You could glue those together and have like a little set of 4, which is really cute as well. But I actually like it like this because you can leave the back blank, and then you can have those little samples there. But everything came from the kit. The little stickers, this was one of the embellishments, the ephemera, the enamel dots. The only thing I've added here are twine and ribbon. And then another thing here I decorated the traveler's notebook. I created these little feathers here with some vellum on top of the pattern paper to soften the look. And then I did a little bow on the feathers there. Everything else is just stickers and paper. And I really love this little traveler's notebook. I've put the paper clip in here that they included in the traveler's notebook. So that's the first 3 projects I was able to create. And then lastly, I was able to make this little coffee carrier. So this came from Stamping Up. These are cups that I had ordered, and I just used the stickers that came in the sticker sheet to create almost like a patterned paper look. And that way I wasn't fussing with getting the paper to fit around here perfectly. So these stickers were exactly what I needed to add a little cohesiveness to the package without really putting paper on top of that, because it was really hard to, because these are tapered, to get the paper to sit around properly. Plus my 6x6s weren't long enough to go all the way around. So anyway, so that was a good sort of compromise. And then on here, I decorated each of the sides. So this says "You Rock." I stitched around every piece of paper. Here I did on the 2 sides. I left this blank. High five. I've done all of the pattern papers on each part of the exposed sort of craft exterior parts, which used to be that kind of color, which is perfect because this 6x6 paper really goes a long way in creating this giant project. So this was a fun project to work on. I created this flower out of the paper. I created again these feathers. This is something that I brought in from my own stash, which is this little craft polka dot bow. Anyways, you can just put those in here. I'm going to fill those with some candy. I know exactly who this is going to. And yeah, then I've got a cute little gift and a lot of opportunity to use a new collection. So that is what I've created. I'm going to do a feature video on some of these die cuts that I've received recently from Queen of Craft. I've got a video coming up about that once I have a chance to create with all of the die cuts. But these are 3 that I have used partially to start creating with the sampler. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.